As April begins, many Filipino devotees are preparing for the solemn observance of Holy Week. In anticipation of the influx of travelers and churchgoers, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, is set to enforce stricter security measures in transport terminals, churches, and other public areas across the country. PTV correspondent Christian Bascones tells us more.
As the month of April begins, many devotees are now preparing for the observance of Holy Week. One such clan is the Crisostomo family, owners of the image of La Pieta. They have started early in preparing the religious image to be paraded during Holy Week and in organizing prayer sessions.
Malayo pa lang, pinag-uusapan na namin kaming damit, yung ayos ng karosa, yung mga bulaklak, yung pagkain, kasi meron kami pabasa rin.
According to them, their strong faith has greatly helped them in life, especially during times of great difficulty. For them, Holy Week is not just a tradition, but a time for reflection and a spiritual renewal.
Marami. Yung blessings yung dadating sa buhay mo, yung mga, lalo nung pandemic, hindi natin alam kahit sino kami, simpleng boy, hindi namin alam kung paano namin na-survive yun. Malaki. Yung mga dumadating yung pagsubok mo, magalo ka sa kanila, yun, makikita mo, dumadaan yun, maayos. Yun na, kapag-salamat ka na talaga .
Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, is also prepared to implement stricter security measures for the upcoming Holy Week. According to PNP spokesperson and Information Office Chief, Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, to ensure public safety, PNP personnel will be deployed to several key locations, including transport terminals, churches, and other public places that are expected to be crowded during holiday.
For purposes po nitong ating Holy Week at summer vacation po ay maglalagay po tayo ng mga police assistance desk sa mga major transportation hubs and terminals po dahil inaasahan po natin na marami pong magbabiyahe para samantalahin po yung summer vacation. At syempre, dahil po Holy Week ay babantayan din po natin yung mga simbahan at even yung mga tourist destinations po natin ay babantayan din po natin. Syempre, yung mga pasyalan din po sa buong bansa po ay babantayan din po natin yan dahil bagamat busy po tayo at nakafocus po tayo dito sa kabilang campaign sorties ay hindi naman po natin pwedeng pabayaan itong mga places of convergence para masiguro po na hindi po tayo malulusta ng mga banta sa seguridad at safety po ng ating mga kababayan.
On the other hand, ticketing officer Shaira May Tulisana stated that they are expecting a large influx of passengers this Holy Week.
Sa ngayon, sir, mas madami kaming mga pasahero na umuwi ngayong Holy Week since ito po yung pagkakataon ng mga travelers na umuwi sa kanilang probinsya at ito rin yung mga mahabang week na wala silang pasok. So ito yung chance nila na makauwi sa mga pamilya nila sa province.
Because of this, she advised travelers to book their tickets early to avoid inconveniences, long lines, and possible fare increases.
So yung tips natin sa mga biyahero ngayon, magplano at mag-book ng mas maaga para na rin mas mababa pa yung mga fares at saka yung mga accommodations natin ngayon. Pagpapalapit na po kasi yung ating travel date, mas mapapamahal na po yung mga flights and accommodation.
Authorities continue to remind the public to be cautious and follow regulations to maintain order and safety during Holy Week observance. Christian Bascones from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.